Hello everyone, it's me JB from UniqueTutorials. Today in this video I'll show you how to enable or disable recycle bin for USB pendrive or USB drives in Windows computer. So without further more delay, let's begin. So firstly, just insert your USB pendrive or your external USB drive on your respective Windows computer, and let me show you now by going to the File Explorer. So I have inserted, you can see here. So I don't have any file inside it right now, so let me create one file. So say a folder. So now let me try to delete this file, right? So let me click on delete on my computer keyboard. So you can see here a message showing, are you sure you want to permanently delete this folder? That means right now the recycle bin for my USB pendrive or external USB drives is not enabled yet, right? You can see here it's already asking want to permanently delete. So if I click on yes, so it will not be transferred to the recycle bin since I have not enabled the recycle bin for my USB pendrive or external USB drive. So let me make you confirm. So let me go to the recycle bin. Now you can see you won't see any deleted file inside this recycle bin, right? So for this, what you need to do is on your computer keyboard just press Win plus R and just type the regedit. As you can see, regedit, and after that you can click on OK or hit enter on your computer keyboard to open the registry editor program. So now you can see here on the second option, H key current user, just select it and just click on this left arrow icon, and after that just select the software and once again click on this arrow icon, and after that just select the Microsoft, and after that once again click on this arrow icon and just scroll down below and select a folder name as Windows, and once again click on this arrow icon, and now select the current version and once again click on this arrow icon, and now just scroll down below and just select this policies and once again click on this arrow icon, and now select this Explorer, and on the right side, on this right side, just right click, that is the right mouse click, and select this new and select this dword32 value, and here just rename this file name as recycle bin drives. Just keep the exact name as you were seeing in this video tutorial, recycle bin drives. Just keep this similar name. So after that, once you create this dword32 file, just double click on this file, and here in the value data just add 8 letters of F letter. So you need to put here total number of F as total number of 8 F letters. So let me count 1 2 3. So let me type it again, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 numbers of F letter, and just click on OK, and now your all settings is done. So now you can minimize this registry editor, and on your computer keyboard just press Ctrl Shift Escape and just scroll down below and just select this Windows Explorer, and below you can see here restart. Just click on it, wait for a few seconds. Now let us check it if this settings gonna work or not. So let me go back to the USB pendrive. So let me create one file again. So now let me try to delete this folder again. So let me click on delete. So now it's not showing any message that permanently delete. That means finally our recycle bin for my USB pendrive or any external USB drive has been enabled. So in order to find out where this file that is the deleted file, has been transferred to the recycle bin. So don't worry, you can just go to the original recycle bin and you can see here the folder which I have just recently deleted from the USB pen drive. So if you want to restore, just right click on it and click on restore, then it will go back to the USB pen drive. So now my recycle bin has successfully been enabled for my respective USB drive or USB pen drives. So if you want to restore or disable it back, then you can go to the same option and you can just delete this registry file which you have created. Just click on delete, you can delete it and you can close this registry editor. And now on your computer keyboard again, just press Ctrl Shift Escape and just select this Windows Explorer again and click on restart for a few seconds. Now let us go back to the folder and let us try to delete this file again. Now you can see the earlier like message that are you sure you want to permanently delete this folder. So once you click on yes, so let us check the recycle bin. So there is no file anymore. So this is the way how to enable or disable recycle bin for USB pen drive or USB drives in Windows computer very easily. So if you never known about the cool tricks, then definitely you should try it out. And if you find this video tutorial useful, please click on the thumbs like button, and if you're new to our channel, click on the subscribe button. And lastly, thanks for watching.